Most people undercharge for their services without even realizing it. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because it's not a skill problem, it's a pricing and confidence problem, and it quietly kills income for years. In this video, I'll show you the simple tool and system that helped stop undercharging, how it works in real service businesses, and how you can use it to confidently raise your prices without losing clients. Let's get into it. First, understand this. When you don't know your value clearly, you guess your price. And guessing almost always means you charge too little. That's exactly what happened to someone like Jake, a freelance designer who kept accepting $50 jobs that should have been $300 jobs. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The tool that changes everything is a simple value-based pricing calculator combined with competitor research. It sounds basic, but it forces you to stop thinking about time and start thinking about outcomes. Instead of asking, "How long will this take me?" you start asking, "What result am I creating for the client?" But here's the problem most people face. They price based on effort, not value. So even if they are skilled, they stay stuck in low-income work. Let's break it down simply. Step 1 is identifying the outcome you deliver. For example, Alex runs a cleaning service. Instead of saying, "I clean houses," he reframes it as, "I help homeowners save time and live in a healthier space." That shift alone changes pricing perception. Step 2 is checking market rates. You look at what others charge in your niche and location. This gives you a baseline so you're not guessing blindly. Step 3 is using a simple pricing framework. Low tier, standard tier, and premium tier dart. Most beginners only offer one price. That's another reason they undercharge, because they don't give clients options. Now here's where it gets powerful. Once you see premium pricing attached to real outcomes, your confidence increases naturally. You stop apologizing for your price. You start explaining it. And here's something most people never realize. Clients don't always choose the cheapest option. They choose the clearest value. That's why this system works. It shifts your thinking from, "How cheap can I be?" to "How valuable can I be?" Once you start pricing based on outcomes, even small clients can become high-value clients. Now here's the truth no one tells you. The tool isn't magic. The mindset shift is. The tool just makes it visible. If you apply this consistently, you stop undercharging because you finally understand what your work is actually worth. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment if you've ever undercharged before, and subscribe for more practical business insights like this.